What's good with it, YouTube? It's your boy KAOTICKICCS, man. Yeah, man, you caught your boy at work. But look, man, I was able to get some free time. I'm down for the next 10 hours, and I decided to hit this mall up near Cincinnati, Ohio. Better yet, it's not even a mall, it's an outlet to be exact. You heard? A Nike outlet. I'm about to go see what type of heat off in there, you dig? So come on with your boy. Alright, man, I done made it into the outlet. Let y'all see what's sitting in here and what's not, you dig. As you can tell, look like we got some 33 sitting right here, you heard. Look like these done made it to the outlet already, man. Yeah, that's crazy that these Air Max Retro 3s done made it to the outlet, man. That is crazy. They got these things right here sitting. Look like they got some 10s in here. Yeah. What's up, boss?
I got the same ones on.
Looks like they got the chlorophyll 3s in here. 119. These 10s is going for 139, man. You know. $99. Bronze in here. More bronze. Must be his area right here. This is what I'm starting to see, a bunch of his stuff. Bunch of LeBron sitting up in here, man. And some Kyrie Irving. Got that gum bottom right here. over here, dog. Look. I guess I don't know how long the 30% been going on, so I guess if they did have heat, it's no longer in here, man. People that came clean up.
You need anything, boss, just let me know.
You ready, bro? Got some basketball bottoms in here, Nike. Man, all this is 30% out, man. As you can tell, man, I done made it back to the truck. I ain't seen no heat in there. The only thing I seen was probably those Retro 3s and a couple of the Nike Reacts. That was pretty dope in there, man. Other than that, man, you know, y'all go ahead and check y'all nearest Nike outlet, man. They got a 30% sale. Maybe y'all might have more heat in the area that y'all in or whatnot, you feel me? But other than that, man, before I get out of here, I'm gonna go ahead and ask y'all, if you new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, and also leave a like and a comment at the bottom of the page, man. I love interacting with y'all, man. But until next time, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out. Peace.